Good morning, good morning, good morning mga kalab! So, nagbabalik pa ang inyong Inday Gracia and welcome on my YouTube channel. So, for today's video po is we made an experiment how to cook a leche flan without separating the egg yolk and egg white. So, we mix it together and let's see how it goes. So, ayan po, just check out! Okay guys, these are all our ingredients. We have eggs, we have 1 can of Alaska evaporada, we use it, and the Liberty condensada 1 can. And the sugar we use is color brown sugar. And now mix it gently but surely the egg yolk and egg white. So just continue mixing it using our fork because unfortunately we don't have the mixer. And you can add now the Alaska evaporada. So just mix it, continue mixing it. And also we can add now the Liberty condensada. For now, you can add the brown sugar into the Leche flan molder. So just spread it, the brown sugar, and add it completely. Okay, after completing it, hold the Leche flan molder and melt it on the fire. You can do like that, guys. So just do it until it will get caramelized, just like this. Okay, once it's done, you will pour the combined egg yolk, egg white with milk into the Leche flan molder. For now, you will prepare the steamer and you will put it there. Place it like that and arrange it very well. So just do it. Continue doing it. Wow, this is awesome. So that's it, as you can see. Now we will switch off. We will switch on the stove. Sorry for that. Okay, you can leave it for 35 to 45 minutes. So this is after 45 minutes. Wow, this is awesome. So as you can see, guys, we put it on the water to make it cold. And after, that's the result. So it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye.